Wishing you a many happy returns of the day. Love you. Take care. मैं आस्था रिया हमेशा तेरे साथ हैं. कभी तुझे कोई चीज़ गलत लगती है या कभी लगता है कि हम गलत हैं या कुछ भी हो, प्लीज़ बिंदास आके डिस्कस कर लेना. ओके. एंड आई नो कि तेरे लिए RM बनना एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम है. आई जस्ट विश कि तेरी ये ड्रीम जो है एंड जो भी बाकी ड्रीम्स हो वो बहुत ही जल्द पूरी हों एंड तू हमेशा सक्सेसफुल रहे, हमेशा खुश रहे. बाय. टेक केयर. लव यू.
Lots of love to you. Unfortunately, on your special day, we are not there, and so side पे छोड़ के, I just want to tell you that how special you are. I don't know इतनी छोटे से टाइम पे इतना अच्छा दोस्त बनना. For me and Riya, you are a blessing, and yes, इतना protective friend मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं देखा. इतना protective, like हम लोगों को कोई भी कुछ बोल दे इतना झगड़ा झगड़ी करना. And I really feel so lucky. Of course, me and Riya really feel so lucky to have you in our life. And I love you. I love you. I इतनी छोटी सी वीडियो में I cannot express my feeling to you, but yeah, I love you, and yes, enjoy your quality birthday.
Happy birthday, Prachi. May God fulfill all your dreams and a day with happiness and a year with joy. Keep smiling. Your smile means a lot for me, Prachi. And lastly, be safe and take care, dear. Bye.
Wishing you many happy returns of the day. Wishing you to blow many more candles of your life. May this birthday be as special as you are. बहुत कुछ है बोलने के लिए यार, बट ये मारवाड़ी ने मेरे को खाली 10 सेकंड का टाइम दिया है वीडियो बनाने के लिए. So I would like to thank you for all the good things that you have done. I still remember that day जब तूने सुतापा से लड़ लिया था मेरे से स्टेशन पे, वो पता नहीं कौन था, उससे भी लड़ लिया था फुकट में बिना किसी मतलब के. So there are a lot many things to learn out from you. You are too workaholic. So ये इस वीडियो में बताना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा because there are a lot many good qualities that everyone should learn from you. And I would like to be sorry, जाने अनजाने में कभी मैंने तेरे को कोई तकलीफ दे दी होगी तो होता है यार, जाने अनजाने में हो जाता है. So I would like to end with this. Keep smiling, keep rocking.
Hey Barbie doll, wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed, stay happy, keep growing. May all your dreams come true. And I love you so much. Not only I, we all love you so much. Not only because you're just my friend, but the way you protect us, take care of us. I still remember that day you fight for me in train and even in bus too. So there are lots of things to say yaar, but I could not describe all things in this video because time is less and people are more. So just meet me soon and give me a warm hug. That's all I need. So bye bye baby, take care. Once again a very happy birthday. Bye.
एक लड़की है थोड़ी पागल सी जो बैंक में कैश काउंटर संभालती है. हर रोज इतने ढेर सारे ट्रांजेक्शन मार के बोलती है कि हे भगवान, लगता है मेरी पूरी जिंदगी ट्रांजेक्शन्स और कैश क्लोज करने में ही निकल जाएगी. जो हर एक कस्टमर को ओके सर जी, थैंक यू सर जी, बाय बाय, टेक केयर बोल के ही बिजनेस निकाल लेती है. जो हर किसी को हमेशा हंसाती है और हर किसी को हमेशा खुश देखना चाहती है. यस, इट्स यू माय डियर फ्रेंड प्राची. Wishing you a very happy and a wonderful birthday ahead. May your each and every dream comes true. Enjoy and have a rocking day ahead. Take care. God bless.
Birthdays come around and go every year, but friends like you come around once in a lifetime. I am so glad and fortunate that I have you in my life. I can't thank you enough, Prachi, for that constant love, care and emotional support that you bestow on me when I need you the most. This little gesture of yours brings the best side in you. On this special occasion, I would like to wish you lots of love, luck, happiness. I love you the most. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay blessed. Wish to meet you soon. Bye.
जी, आपको पता है जब हम स्टार्टिंग में मिले थे तब मुझे ऐसा लगता था आपके अंदर बहुत एटीट्यूड है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे क्लोज हुए वैसे पता चला कि आप बहुत स्वीट और बहुत केयरिंग पर्सन हो. एंड आपने मेरे हर एक फेस में सपोर्ट किया है. एंड मैं आपको बहुत मिस करती हूँ, स्पेशली जब आप वो गिफ्ट वाले वर्ड्स बोलते हैं एंड बोलते टाइम आपके जो एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं वो मेरे लिए हमेशा प्राइसलेस रहा है। एंड मुझे वापस ऐसी मेमोरीज बनानी है आपके साथ। सो हम जल्दी मिलेंगे एंड विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। बाय, मिस यू, लव यू।
अरे प्राची दीदी, आपको याद है मैंने आपसे अचानक नंबर मांगा था? देन अपन रोज ट्रैवल करते थे, आप कॉलेज तक मेरे साथ में होते थे। आपने मुझे हर एक चीज़ में इतना सपोर्ट किया है। आई लव यू सो मच एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन एंड आई मिस यू। बाय।
Many happy returns of the day to my lovely, sweetest and most caring, beautiful girl. Always stay happy. Enjoy your special day. Love you so much.
Hey, hi Bhavya. So I wish you a very happiest birthday, and I have known you as a very strong and bold woman who is very hardworking. Just be the same. Take care.
Where do I begin from? I definitely never thought that we would share this great bond, and somewhere I thank Professor Princey for this. I mean, I hope you know what I mean by this. And that was the beginning, and we for sure know that we're never gonna end this. I have a lot to say, but I cannot say everything in this video because I know, I mean, if I start talking, it could be an endless one. Prachi, you must know today what you mean to me and Shri. And one thing that I want to say is thank you for being always with me. I do not want to make any understatement by thanking you all, and no more cliche dialogues, please. From the dirty talks that we've had, from the group studies that we did, everything, etc. We've made memories, and I'm sure that we will make more. But today, I mean, this is the only day that you wait for, and all I want to wish you is the best. Happy birthday, stay blessed. Cheers.
Prachi, I wish this year brings you lots of happiness and success in your way. Miss you. See you soon.
Hi Prachi, I've penned up a small poem which I will be sharing right now. Though we fight, but you all are right. Though we taunt, but we wish to achieve all that you want. We want to see you climb high. We want to see you climb, not see you fly. Live long, stay strong. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Wish you a happy birthday, dear Prachi beta. God bless you.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, plumpy yumpy yumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, drops, snookums. You're the apple of my eye, and I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing sweet songs for you because you are so dear. Happy birthday, Papya. I love you so much, and you know it. I really wonder at times how is it that we are born to two different mothers, because we really are soul sisters and we should have been siblings or twins. But koi nahi, next time mein. You're not much younger to me, but I always feel very protective and possessive about you, and I really love the bond that we have, and I wish to nourish it and cherish it for the rest of our lives. Don't be upset that coronavirus has eaten up your birthday. I promise that we'll have a double blast once it's all gone away, like the one we had on your 24th and 25th birthday. You know what I'm referring to. Okay. So yeah, I love you.
पापिया का बर्थडे टेक 1.
एंट्री भी नहीं हुई है.
मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली.
तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे पापिया।
पापिया हैप्पी बर्थडे, बहुत सारा चीज खा,
बहुत सारे डोनट्स खा,
मास्क के अंदर चीज लगा के मास्क मुंह पे लगा ले। हैप्पी बर्थडे पापिया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैव अ ग्रेट डे, वी लव यू,
बाय।
हैप्पी बर्थडे पापिया, हैप्पी बर्थडे फ्रॉम आवर लिटिल वन, हैप्पी बर्थडे पापिया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा, may God bless you बेटा।
Hi Papya, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you and have a long life ahead. Take care. मिलते हैं, पार्टी करेंगे लॉकडाउन के बाद। बाय।
Hey, happy birthday Prachi Didi.
May God bless you.
May God bless you. Hope the next year you will achieve something great. Your next year becomes all the more happy for you. Wish you happy birthday again and many more years to come.
You are the Jhansi ki Rani of Kartika family.
And also the Meghraj family.
May your birthday be as wonderful you are. Happy birthday Piyu Didi.
You Didi, Prachi Didi.
Prachi Didi.
Hi Papya, how are you? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Prachi.
Papya, you are the smartest in our family. And you are the boldest as well. So be bold all the time. Don't do anything wrong, but be bold when you are right. Okay? And what is important is that you should support your family all the time. Okay, beta? Happy birthday once again. All the best.
आज प्राची तुला छाया काकीने तर झाशीचं राणीचं पद दिलेलं आहे, तो झाशीचं राणीसारखीच राहा आणि अशीच हसत राहा, खूप मोठी हो. हॅपी बर्थडे
पापिया, तुम जियो हजारों साल.
तुम सा नहीं कोई प्राची, तुम खुश रहो जहाँ भी रहो, ये मेरे दिल की दुआ. ओ प्राची प्राची, तुम सा नहीं कोई प्राची. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर प्राची, हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे प्राची, मे गॉड fill your life with love and happiness. God bless you beta. Love you.
Happy birthday Prachi Didi. Have a nice day.
Wish you many happy returns of the day Prachi. God bless you beta.
Hi Prachi, wishing you many happy returns of the day. May your sweet smile never fade away, and may you have a life filled with loads of joy and happiness. May you achieve everything that you deserve. Enjoy every moment, and may every moment bring you something new and exciting and turn out to be as amazing a person you are. Love you loads. Thank you so much for always being by my side. Have the most awesome birthday.
हंसले बड़े मजे आ रहे होंगे ना इतने सारे विशेस लेके. But baby, this was only your wishes. Memories are still left, which you have created with us. Come, let's watch all together.
नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं. नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं. बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं. बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं. ये यादें किसी दिल जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती हैं. यादें 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 ये जीवन दिल जानी दरिया का है पानी, पानी तो बह जाए बाकी क्या रह जाए। यादें 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 नगमे हैं शिकवे हैं किस्से हैं बातें हैं, बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं। ये यादें किसी दिल जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती हैं। यादें यादें यादें